Oh, hey there. Do you want to walk up to the club like what I've got a big turbo?
Well, now you can with max speeding rods.
With warehouses located in USA and Europe, fast international shipping is guaranteed. Your parts will be sent out within 24 hours. You can use the link in the description with the discount code V12 to get discounts on your parts. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing of the max speeding rods turbo and then we'll get to this package. I really want to show you guys what's inside here. So in front of me, we probably have one of the most popular aftermarket turbocharger choices that you get out there, especially for the guys who are building these turbo cars on a budget. So this is Max Speeding Rods GT3582 Turbo, and I must say it comes really well packaged too. I had this out once before, so I didn't want to go do a big story of taking the packets off, but as you can see, it does come packaged really nicely with a whole bunch of protection and covers and all the necessary bits and pieces that you need. So as you can see, it's quite a nice piece, pretty well finished as well. It also comes with the Max Speeding Rods customer service card and the all important gaskets that sometimes we tend to overlook and then realize, oh, we actually need them. Got the turbo oil return and what seems to be the oil feed gasket. Let's have a look at the customer service card here that's provided with this turbo. Seems as though they really focus on performance, but as well as having good customer service. I do believe that their after sales service is some of the best out there as well. So the contents of this box came just in time to make the perfect Christmas story. Let me tell you about it. So the last 12 days of Christmas have been very special to me, and here's why. So on the first day of Christmas, the car guard sent me one forged rod and a hit at the drag strip Christmas tree. And on the second day of Christmas, the car guard sent me another forged rod and a hit at the drag strip Christmas tree. And on the third day of Christmas, the car guard sent me another forged rod and a hit at the drag strip Christmas tree. And so on the 12th day of Christmas, I received the 12th forged rod and a hit at the drag strip Christmas tree. It's a Christmas miracle that all 12 forged rods happen to fit exactly in the V12 that's swapped in the Miata. Guys, let's just take a moment to appreciate how nice this wall came out. Keep in mind, we're still going to be doing an interior wall, but I'll get to that soon enough. But for now, I can actually just start working on the V12 Miata.